Temperatures in the hundreds for days, no rain in sight. We are suffering as humans, and so are our plants. But one group of plants that really shines this time of year are our succulents. They are drought tolerant. They love the heat. They don't need a whole lot of water. They actually have these modified tissues or modified leaves and stems that allow them to store water. So when we're thinking about succulents, those are the plants that have, like cactus, things like that. But there are some beautiful annual bedding plants, such as this purslane right here that has these beautiful flowers that are open, and I'm seeing all the bees coming in and gathering pollen, and we actually see some beautiful color in the landscape here with these types of plants. So as gardeners at home, if you're looking to fill that niche or you're looking to have some color in the landscape, look for some succulent options, those that flower. Now we have our Louisiana super plant. This is called lemon sedum. This is an excellent succulent. These actually trail and they do well in our climates. Now, if we get freezing weather, these can die back, but they can also perennialize. Now, these will bloom little tiny yellow flowers in the fall and again in the spring, but these are great as ground covers. They, again, can tolerate drought situations. They're also very salt tolerant. So if you have any issues with salt intrusion, these are excellent choices for the landscape that just deal with our heat, do well in the full sun for those beautiful blooms. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.